what's up everybody? Today I'm about to do a review of this cool Minecraft light that I got from my sister Emma from Christmas. I think it was in 2022. So yeah, we're about to show you this real cool gadget that I got from my sister. So let's check it out. So as you can see, this is awesome. It's basically it's just like a Minecraft ore that you mine in Minecraft, and also it actually lights up using this remote. So let me plug it in. See how it lights up right there? Yeah, I think it's a real cool Christmas gift that I got from Emma about, I think a little bit over 2 years ago probably. So yeah, I think it was in 2020. Yeah, 2022. So yeah, I'll come with this remote, and you can even change it to different colors. So yeah, you can even use a flash. So yeah, this is a really awesome gift. So yeah, so thumbs up for that. Well guys, that was my gift review from my sister, and now I'm actually calling her.
Hi, YouTube.
Say hello to her. Yeah, I just did a review on a gift that you got me for Christmas in 2022. This cool Minecraft ore, remember?
Yes, that's from Etsy. Someone created that in their home workshop.
Wow.
So cool.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go, because I have a big announcement to tell everybody.
Sounds great. I love you.
Love you too. Say bye to everyone.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye. Well, we got that over with. Now for the big announcement. I have a brand new cooking channel. It's called Eva Cook 427, and I just did a video on it, I think on Wednesday. Yeah, and oh my god, it's really awesome to do a cooking channel to, just to do something a little bit. So, yeah, so I haven't just been subscribed. I need a lot more subscribers on my cooking channel. The link to that channel will be down below in the description. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day, and peace out.